Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve the Leetcode P2D, that is 3512 Leetcode, and it's this question is minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k. Means what the question says that you are given an integer array nums, means आपको एक integer array nums दिया गया है and an integer k और एक k integer दिया है. Okay, you can perform the following operation any number of times. Okay, you have to perform the operation. Okay, let's see what the operation. Select an index. Okay, let's select an index and replace nums of I with nums of I minus 1. Overall you have to do decrement by 1. Okay, you have to decrement the element of the nums by -1. That is the operation which we have to perform. Okay, so that the minimum number we have to return the minimum number of options required to make the sum of array divisible by k. Means overall we have to do that जो total sum है जो हमारा total sum of the array must be divisible by k. So in what operation that is performed? Okay, in what operation that condition is followed? Okay, let's see example test cases. Okay, this is the nums 397 and k equals to 5. Okay, firstly let's sum this. Okay, 3 9 12 and 12 7 19. Okay, now 19 is not divisible by 5. So what we have to do, we have to apply operation that we have to decrement the nums of I, any nums of I, okay, by 1. ओके, डिक्रीमेंट. ओके, -1 करना पड़ेगा हमें कोई भी एलिमेंट के साथ, सो दैट द टोटल सम जो है वो हमारा डिविजिबल हो जाए किससे, k इक्वल्स टू 5 से. ओके, सो फर्स्टली व्हाट वी कैन डू, let's perform 4 operation on nums of 1, that is 9 पे हम लोग 4 ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करेंगे. तो what is the what's nums become, that is 3 5 7. Now the total sum of this nums is 15 and 15 is divisible by 5. So overall the question is that we have to decrement. Okay, so firstly we have to sum this sum of this nums is comes out to be 19. And when 19 modulo k 19 modulo 5 करेंगे हम लोग, तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा, that is 4. means we have to perform 4 operation, means that is the total the total remainder जो आएगा, that is the total operation, that is the total minimum number of operations required to, so that sum is of the array divisible by k. Okay, understand? Means the sum of the nums in the starting, that is when we divisible by, when we take modulo with k, the remainder comes, the total remainder which is which is equals to the total number of operation required so that the sum array divisible by k. Okay, so that is very easy problem. Only we have to check, we have to strike that total sum का जो रिमाइंडर आएगा जब लोग मॉड्यूलर करेंगे k के साथ, that is the output, that is the answer. Okay, because we have to only do that operation, we have to only decrement it. Okay, only by -1, so only by 1, sorry, decrement करना पड़ेगा only 1 से. So means we have to we can take any index. Okay, any index nums. So don't do that what the question says. Okay, क्वेश्चन में जो बोला गया उस तरीके से पूरा आप ये इंडेक्स एक लेके मत बैठ जाना कि हाँ इससे हम -1 करें फिर हम चेक करें. नो, द रिमाइंडर विच इज कम्स out to be when sum is modulo k, sum takes modulo with k, so that is the total number of operation required. Okay, you can take any example. Okay, the example you can check, that is 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 modulo 6 is 5. So total number of operation required to make that sum is divisible by k, that is 5. Okay, so let's see, this is my code. So I take firstly sum equals to 0, initialize sum equals sum with 0. Okay, and that is total sum, our total sum, and find out total sum and take modulo with k, and that is the total number of minimum operations required to make sum divisible by. Okay, so run it. I hope all test cases are passed. Okay, okay, now submit it. Okay, see what's the answer. Okay, 92.46% passed. Okay, 1 millisecond, and its time complexity is O of n. Okay, you can see that is only for loop is executed only n times, that is num's length, O of n size, where n is num's length. Okay, length of the nums array. Okay, thank you.